Maintenance on your Enza, it's so little, you'll be so happy. Okay, so we have a brochure that we've sent to you as well. We want you to check your tire pressure every month or so. We're going to send that in the package, or you can just go to the gas station, but you want to check your tire pressure. You want to be between 32 and 35 all around. Other than your charging, because you got to keep up on your charging, you don't want to let your Enza go dead. These do need to be charged fairly often. I would not leave it more than 3 weeks without just throwing it on charge for, 2 to 5 hours until you see a green light. So please do not let these go dead. Also, do not leave the charger on for days and weeks at a time. Once you finish charging, you got the green light, just plug it in overnight. Even if you're just halfway through your battery, just plug it in overnight. Remember to unplug it in the morning, or you can get a timer. Okay, so that's your first maintenance is not overcharging or forgetting the battery. Then the second one is going to be your tire pressure. And other than that, that's pretty much it. But let me show you how to fill up your windshield fluid washer. I'm going to use a flathead because I can't get my finger in there. There we go. This is your windshield fluid. Same as your car, just use antifreeze. You can use water, but why not use antifreeze? It smells better. This is actually quite convenient to get into that. Tires and brakes. You shouldn't need any brakes for about 4,000 to 6,000 kilometers. If you live in a hilly place or you're heavy on your brakes, maybe sooner, but you really don't need anything for many, many years. Same with batteries. Your batteries should last 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. Your capacity gets lower and lower over time, but you're going to have years of maintenance-free driving with any electric enclosed scooter. So it's literally that simple. When it comes to washing your Enza, can you use a power washer? Maybe on low, but if you could you can actually use a hose on them, which is really great. Keep them shiny that way. They are fairly enclosed, so if you want to wash around in here, but everything's better with your hands if you can do it. And honestly, that's really it. That's all I can tell you guys. If you need your tires or your brakes done, a mechanic can do it. If it's time to do the electrical, we'll walk you through everything. A local electrician can do that for you as well. And if you need any parts, like you break your mirror, call us, we'll get that for you, okay? So yeah, very easy on maintenance. I hope that helps.